Hey everyone, in this full beginner guide, I'll show you how to use CapCut in 2026. So if you're completely new to video editing and want to create videos for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or personal projects, yeah, this tutorial will walk you through the basics step by step. First, download CapCut from the official website and install it on your PC or laptop. After installation finishes, open CapCut and click New Project to start editing your first video. Next, import your video clips, images, or audio files by clicking the Import button or dragging files directly into the editor. To make your video more engaging, open the audio section and add music, sound effects, or voiceovers. CapCut also includes filters and effects that can improve the look of your video. You can experiment with cinematic filters, blur effects, and transitions. Once you finish editing, click Export in the top right corner and choose your video quality settings before saving the final video. After exporting, your video will save directly to your PC. So you can upload it to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform. And that's basically how to use CapCut for beginners in 2026. Once you practice these basic tools, editing videos becomes much easier and faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.